What's going on, guys? Finance Media coming at you with another educational video. Today we got a really cool course that's being offered for free right now. Normally $143.99, but right now it's free, so I want to get it out there for you guys to see it. So it's a course on how to write a book, little known facts about outsourcing, but so it pretty much teaches you how to write a book without actually writing a single word, which is really cool. It shows how to make a passive income through selling your book, which you didn't even have to write, and how to make money from it and keep multiplying and doing that repetitively. So let's read a little bit about the course details. It has a 4.4 rating. It has over 4,800 students enrolled at this time. Uh, it has 21 lessons, beginner skill level, and there's a certificate available after completing it. It comes with a 1 hour and 10-minute on-demand video, access on your mobile, and lifetime access, so you can keep it forever and use it whenever you need, or give it to your kids if you want. So what will you learn? How to have a good book written for you in under a month without having any writing skills at all. That's right, guys. How to turn your books into a source of passive income, and how to use scalability of this method to create multiple books. That's what I love about this little read here. It literally shows you that you can write a book in under a month without even having to write it and sell it and make money off it, which is crazy. So I know you guys wanted some financial tips, and this is a great course for you. So I'll read you guys a little bit of the description of it so you guys have a little better understanding. So, would you love to know how to write a book which grants you great income? Do you have something to say to the world but your writing skills aren't on the peak? Do not worry. This course will reveal all secrets about your writing books. No. And therefore you'll learn how to write a good book without actually writing a single word. This course will give you useful information on how to write a book in your name without having any outstanding writing skills. You'll discover what is ghostwriting in general and what does it have to do with the book you're planning to write. Also, the tutor will give you great tips on how to hire a ghostwriter to write a best-selling book under your name, which will award you with money. You don't need any skills, that doesn't matter. Act smart to reach success, get expert insight. Requirements: openness to try the strategies from this course, and understanding of the English language. That's all you have to know, and everyone watching this will know that, so you're good to go. Let's see a little bit about the instructor. He has 282,000 students, massive, teaches over 40 courses. He's a 3.1 rating. He's a really good rating, so you guys are good. He's developed more than 100 online courses, attracted more than 100,000 students, and he's a best-selling Amazon author for 3 times. Around 1 million people bought his books, so he's made some serious cash. Some of the reviews on the platform. Very appealing features. Thank you for providing knowledge. Awesome terms for students and also for instructors. Everything's good. You guys can check out the reviews for yourself also. Link is in the description for sure. All the reviews are excellent. Everyone loves it. But other than that, I'll let you guys check it out for yourself. It is free, so you're really missing out on nothing. Links in the description. Also, there's courses being available on the site that are money. So you can spend money on the site, or you can get free courses. And if you're spending money, use my code SAVEMONEY30 to save 30% off your order. Other than that, guys, I will be coming at you with another video soon. So I hope you have a good one, and take it easy. Finance Media out.